The powerful, patented Swiftknowledge business intelligence technology has revolutionized the banking market via an easy-to-use, integrated analytics solution specifically designed for non-technical business users. This web-based technology gives banks real-time, secure access to multiple financial data sources for proactive, effective management of key performance indicators such as risk, cash, and growth. It deploys quickly and provides immediate value, generating a typical internal rate of return of more than 30%. In this short video, Swiftknowledge President Daniel Maloney demonstrates the power and flexibility of a Swiftknowledge-powered credit quality management application.
Within the Swiftknowledge for Banking solution is a credit quality application. What we're looking at here is a dashboard that includes credit quality information, which will help banks have a better understanding of their loans and the quality of those loans to help them make some decisions overall about risk, about credit quality, and how that breaks down across their organization, across their loan officers, and across their loan products. For example, each one of these panels of the dashboard provides information immediately and is updated on a daily basis. For example, this panel looks at current quality in a couple of different ways. It's showing my different risk ratings on my loans and giving me some basic information. It's providing a pie chart so I can quickly look at my overall portfolio in terms of my risk ratings and quickly see for a particular category what percent of my loans fall into that category. And over here we look at those same risk rating categories again with a percent usage metric, which compares the original balance amount with what the current balance amount is. So you can see that, which might not be surprising, some of the loans that have got a higher credit risk rating on it also have got a higher percentage of the balance being utilized on average. So panels are available with information in there, as well as lists of reports that you can go to. So if I go to this first one called Year-to-Date Charge-Offs by Loan Type, what is available to me, and again is updated on a daily basis, in this particular template, it shows me some trend data for charge-offs and the number of loans that have fallen into the charge-off category and looking at it over time. So a couple of different things that I can see immediately is not only can I see the trend line, but I can drill down on that trend line through my product hierarchy. And again, this would be the product hierarchy you track within your bank. And I can see what's driving that increase. I can see through types of lines that my consumer loan is showing the increase, and within there, the fixed consumer loan. And I've got a navigation up here that I can go back down if I wanted to start over and look at it in a different way. So not only can I look at it from a trend comparison, from a graphic standpoint, I have this exact same information contained down here numerically that I can also drill down into and look at levels of detail. In addition, I can look at this in terms of filtering on different subsets of information like my organizational structure. This example bank has 4 different charters, and within a charter there are branches. So if I wanted to look at this trend, but data is going to update accordingly, and I continue to drill down like I did before. So now not only can I identify the product type, but if there's a subset within my organizational structure that is showing some differences, I can see what's driving that as well. Furthermore, I can do this analysis at the branch level. So if I wanted to just pick a couple of branches and do these comparisons, I can do that as well. There are a number of different fields available to each banker to do this analysis on the fly. And not only can I look at product count, but I can also look at other information like what is the current balance or the original balance, and to be able to look at different ways of measuring it. In addition, charge-off is one category I'm looking at right now for loans, but there are other categories that may be available to me, whether I want to look at non-accruals or what other categories I want to look at, or risk ratings. And all of these are available for me to filter on, to change this on the fly so I get a better and deeper understanding of what's driving my credit quality. And then depending on my security, I may have the ability to go out and bring in more fields. So what you see here are many more fields that I could bring in, maybe about my particular customers or about the collateral codes or the occupancy codes on this, so I have an even deeper understanding of what's going on in terms of credit quality. So if I go back to my dashboard again, so that was one example of charge-off loans, looking at it by loan type. We have many templates built out already that are available to each loan officer, chief credit officer, chief financial officer. We have a past due loan report, which takes that same information and groups it so that you can easily identify which individuals or customers may be having loans past due and may be an indication of potential credit quality changes. So in this particular case, again, we have the filters here, but here we've got a layout that has my organizations, has my officers and their portfolios, and then some basic information about their portfolios, but allows me to go into a particular officer and into any one of the different portfolios that they track and to look at individual data on customers or groups of customers and the amount of days past due on their loans. All of these fields can be filtered on so that if I wanted to change the filter range, so if I wanted to only focus on not days past due greater than 0, but maybe days past due greater than or equal to 30 days or 45 days, that'll allow me to reduce more and more this list till I get it down to the exact past due loan report that'll have the greatest value to me. And then I can save that so it's available to me on a daily basis. So this is one example of a dashboard that focuses on credit quality. It has a number of different pieces of information available to different people in your organization. The security in our application will control so that you only see the information you're allowed to see, but it's going to give you a much deeper understanding of credit quality and help you make better decisions in terms of your loans.